So what I have here today is a 2020 Ram 1500. It is rather standard. Has the blacked out grille, blacked out bumper, steel wheels. It does have breakaway mirrors. This is a work truck. It's a work truck with a plain white 4x4. Has the regular standard halogen taillights. I'm at Gilman Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, located in Houston, Texas, by the highway interchange of 59 and Beltway 8. It's pretty nice. It does come with halogen headlights, Ram logo. Let's go inside. It does have the black covered door handles. Pop the hood. Where's the hood? It is a Hemi. I don't know. Whoops. It is the 5.7 liter Hemi V8. There we go. Had to set that up. Hop on in. Like I said, it's the regular white exterior. Has the black cloth interior. Does have your cruise control right here, volume controls, gear limit, telephone, voice commands. I think it's for your mini display. Does have standard gauges. Yeah. It does come with the standard original radio. If you actually upgrade to a more higher end edition, it actually gives you a much larger unit. It does have the Ram logo, 12 volt DC outlet. Climate control is rather manual. It does have recirculation, AC, and I think this is your defroster. These are your hazards right here. It does come with the transmission. That's the all electronic transmission. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and 4-high. Right down here you can see have all your aux ports, USB aux ports right down there. Move this out of the way. It does have some storage, and it does have a full bench seating. Release this by the tether. Whoops. It does have your 2 cup holders right here, and then it does have a center console. It does have storage. Nice and padded, looking nice. It does have your manual dimming rearview mirror, sunglasses storage, interior illumination, and your sunroof. Oops. That's for your rear sliding window. Very nice. Does have your parking brake release or electronic parking brake, and it does have your headlight controls. These are your headlights. Let's go over the build quality. All this material, the whole door panel is plastic, and including the dash, which is all plastic. It does have a handle to get your get access to the interior easier. Storage is down there. Here's your mirror. It does have blind spot right there. Window sticker. Here's your mats. The seat flips up in one. It's not the 60/40 flip feature. Move this out of the way. It does have a Ram bin, so just take this, and then there you have it, the bin. It does have like the, I don't know, it looks like barbed wire type. Anyway. Nice floor. There are no map pockets. Does have, I think it looks like a storage. Another storage. Does have rubber thing that's removable. Air vents. Oh, there's no armrest. It's pretty plain. And then this, I think, is your light that lights up when the door opens. It only opens when the your third brake light, backup camera, Ram logo. Does have the standard plastic black bumper. It's plain door panel. Manual passenger seat. Nice. It does have storage up above. Not bad of a truck. Well, guys, that does wrap it up for the 2020 Ram 1500 work truck. Sure, stay tuned. Have a good day.